Hi guys, I hope you're all healthy and well. I know that we're all staying at home right now because of the coronavirus pandemic and that we can't get together anymore to do some fun science experiments like we've done before after school. But we can still do fun experiments virtually with some things you can find around your house. Some things that you can use are dishwashing soap, baking soda, a vinegar, and a container to keep it all in. And we can make a cool volcano. So first we're gonna pour in some water in the container because our container is very big. This is an optional step. If you have a small container, you don't need the water, but we're gonna use it to take up some space. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some dishwashing soap and we're gonna do one squeeze to get it in there. And then we're gonna do 2 scoops of baking soda. And now we're going to mix them all together. You have to mix it very well so the reaction takes place. Now we're going to add some vinegar for the final step. Whoa! It's a volcano!
Doesn't that look so cool? But why does that reaction even happen? Well, the vinegar we use is an acid, and the baking soda we use is a base. When an acid and a base mix together, it creates a chemical reaction. They are trying to neutralize each other and in the process produce carbon dioxide gas. That gas is the little bubbles we see erupting. It pushes up and causes the whole thing to overflow.
There are other cool things you can do with this experiment. All you need is a water bottle, a balloon, and a piece of paper. If you use these 3 things, you can see the carbon dioxide bubbles from the reaction really be at work. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to fill the water bottle with the vinegar about 1/3 of the way. Then we have to get the baking soda into the balloon, but the balloon opening is too small. So how are we going to get it through? Well, we have to make a funnel. A funnel is basically a cone that will let the baking soda go through. So you can use a pencil and you can wrap it around the pencil. Then once you have your bottom, you can take it out. And you just keep rolling until you make a cone. Then you're gonna put edge of the funnel into the balloon. Then we are going to get some baking soda and put it through. Next, we're going to put the balloon over the water bottle. You have to do this carefully and you have to keep the balloon hanging on its side. Now, we're gonna Can you see how big it got? That's because the carbon dioxide bubbles went into the balloon and they inflated it. If you don't have vinegar at home, you can use lemon instead. The reaction is still going to go through even though it might not be as good because the lemon is still an acid. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the lemon so you get all the lemon juice out. Look at all those seeds in there. Now we're going to sprinkle some baking soda to get the reaction going. Whoa, did you see the reaction happen again? That's because of the acid-base reaction that the baking soda and the lemon make. And the bubbles still fizzled because of the carbon dioxide. I hope you had fun with this experiment. See you next time!